What do I need to transfer Xbox games to my PC?
Hello, fellow gamers. In today's guide, we're going to walk you through how to transfer your beloved Xbox games to your PC. We understand how important it is to maintain progress and achievements across different platforms. So, buckle up as we go step by step to make this happen.
What do I need?
Before we dive into the process, it's essential to ensure you have the necessary components. First, both your Xbox and PC need to be on the same network. This is key to facilitating a smooth transfer. Secondly, ensure that you have the Xbox Console Companion app installed on your PC. If you don't have it yet, head to the Microsoft Store on your PC and download it.
How can I transfer my games?
All right. Now that we have everything set up, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the transfer process. Here's how to do it. 1. Open the Xbox Console Companion app on your PC. This is your bridge between the Xbox and the PC. 2. Go to the Connection tab. Here, you'll find your Xbox console if it's connected to the same network. 3. Select your console and then click on Test Streaming. This will establish a connection between your Xbox and PC. 4. Once connected, go to the Settings and then to System. 5. Under System, find and select Storage. This is where your Xbox games are stored. 6. Choose the game you want to transfer and select Move or Copy. 7. Finally, select your PC as the destination and click on Copy.
What should I keep in mind?
Although the process of transferring Xbox games to your PC is relatively straightforward, there are a few things you should be aware of. Not all Xbox games can be played on PC. Before transferring, ensure that the game is compatible with your PC to avoid unnecessary frustrations. Xbox Play Anywhere titles will automatically appear on both your Xbox and PC when you log in to your Microsoft account. No need to manually transfer these. Transferring large games may take time. Be patient and ensure your devices remain connected throughout the process. And that's it. We've gone through the whole process of transferring your Xbox games to your PC. Now you can enjoy your favorite games on both platforms without losing any progress. We hope this guide has been useful. Keep gaming, and see you in the next one.